In today's video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to your Nintendo account on your Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the Nintendo eShop app and open this. You might need to sign in when you open it. Once in the store, select your account icon in the top right corner. Within here, scroll down to the Settings section and then select Set next to where it says PayPal account. You'll now need to scan the QR code on screen on your phone to load the Nintendo account page in a browser. Once this page loads, sign in if you need to, and then wait for the next page to load. Tap on Link on the PayPal page after reading the message, and then you'll be prompted to sign in to PayPal. Log in and then you may need to verify it's you. I'll use the PayPal app to confirm this, so select this and tap on Next. Then open PayPal on your phone and confirm this. It might say that it's a zero value transaction, which is fine. After confirming, head back to the original browser page we were on and adjust any settings to your preference, such as the option to use your PayPal balance first for purchases. Agree and continue once you're happy with this, and now your accounts should link. If you close and then reopen the Shop app on your Switch 2, and then head back to your account settings, you should see your newly linked PayPal accounts. This is where you could remove the link in future if you need to. Before exiting, you might want to select Change in the Automatic Renewal and Pre-order Payment section to change this. For example, you could choose PayPal now that we've added it. That's how to link your PayPal to your Nintendo account on your Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.